Hello. When you receive this kit, we will give you a wooden crochet hook which has a layer of anti-rust oil on its surface to prevent the wooden handle from rusting. So it has a layer of anti-rust oil. Therefore, when you first use it, it may feel the sticky feeling doesn't go away quickly. So what should we do? After we take out the crochet hook, we should first use those two yarns to rub it around. Rub it a bit more. You see, this way the crochet hook will become smoother. Secondly, how do we start making it? For this carpet, there are round and rectangular shapes. This piece here is rectangular. How can you embroider it? That is to say, based on personal preference, you can start with these simpler patterns. Then you need a large area of one colour, but there is one prerequisite if you are planning to start embroidering from this side. You must remember that we can only embroider. You can only embroider this horizontal line, so it goes down in horizontal lines, one after another. When you feel that you are embroidering the horizontal line, this line does not need to be vertical anymore. The vertical lines cannot be embroidered again. You understand, right? It needs to maintain the same direction. This way, the carpet will look more beautiful when finished. Yeah, let's get started. But for this carpet, I am embroidering vertically and then horizontally, you see? Look at each stitch is in the same direction. It is one line coming in, and then the second line comes in. So we need to start with the horizontal and vertical. As for the vertical method, there are two types. The first one is a faster way. First, you make this thread into a circle, and then insert the crochet hook. Then insert this horizontal line into our grid fabric. Come out. This completes a persistent action. Don't let it close. Put it here. Then take it out again. Yes. You need to lift it up, and then we will be done. We just need to keep embroidering along this line, horizontally. Be careful. When you decide to fix it this way, while fixing horizontally, do not fix it vertically again. For example, if it's this small, that's not acceptable. You should know. We need to take it out. It can only be fixed horizontally. You should also fill the entire 4 series pattern. When you reach this point and don't know how to adjust, what should we do? We can take a look at this and this chart. Each grid on it corresponds to one, you see. Like this one is... What colour is CC? Oh, it's number 32. Just this. For our thread, it has color codes on it, so you don't need to worry about using the wrong number. You just need to match it with the corresponding one above. Number 2. Number 6. Oh, this is number 9. Number 9. Yes,